Now, where we live, we share our space with a lot of crawling and flying creatures. But one day we discovered a hawk, a sparrowhawk, on the floor injured. So the rescue operation began with Hannah, but the hawk tried to fly away. But Tina finished the maneuver and everybody was oohing and eyeing over this nice creature. Of course, we never knew what to do, so we consulted Google and it said to put the hawk in a box in a quiet, cool place. So we got the box, got some water, put water in the box, and it was good night hawk, sweet dreams. By the looks of it, he still did not trust us. But our theory is that the Pichiris, who have some nests in the tree, injured him. But this story has a happy ending. We contacted the authorities, met up somewhere close by, and they whisked him away to treat him so that he can live happily ever after. The end.